If you want to check AnyDesk history, including your recent sessions and the devices you've connected to before, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is useful if you want to quickly find a previous AnyDesk address, review recent connections, or simply keep track of devices you've accessed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Go ahead and launch the application from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once it opens, give it a moment to fully load so all of the session information appears correctly. Depending on your connection history, AnyDesk may take a second to refresh the main screen. Now that you're on the main AnyDesk window, look for the Recent Sessions section. This is where AnyDesk stores information about your recently connected devices. In this area, you can usually see previously accessed AnyDesk addresses, recent connection entries, and other session details that help you quickly reconnect without typing everything again. If you've used AnyDesk to connect to multiple devices, this section can save you a lot of time. Instead of searching through notes or asking for the address again, you can simply check the recent sessions list and identify the device you need. Depending on your version of AnyDesk and your account setup, the list may show device names, IDs, or the most recent connection activity. Take a careful look through the entries in recent sessions. If you're trying to find a specific remote computer, this is the first place you should check. You can use the history here to confirm whether you've connected to the right machine, revisit a familiar device, or pull up an address you used earlier. If the list is empty, that usually means you haven't connected to many devices yet, or your session history hasn't been populated on that device. In that case, simply connect to a remote device in the future, and AnyDesk will begin building that recent sessions list automatically. And that's really all there is to it. To check AnyDesk history, open the app and go straight to recent sessions on the main screen. That's where you'll find your previously connected devices and AnyDesk addresses in one convenient place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.